How to read a dial caliper. A dial caliper is a handy and versatile measuring tool. It can measure ID, OD, step and depth. Close the jaws and check that the indicator points to 0 on the dial face. The main scale on the dial caliper with the inch system is marked every 100 thousandths and represents 1 revolution. Each graduation on the dial represents a thousandth of an inch. Thus, a measurement of 0.617 thousandths would be obtained by reading 600 thousandths on the main scale and then adding 17 thousandths as determined by the dial, as shown in the image. Learn more at chicagobrand.com.